A little book.
I kind of wondered why she didn't keep it for herself, and then she gave it to me when I died.
Shipping you all your stuff, because then you're dead.
I know. I think she might regret it.
Sending you your stuff?
Sending me all the photo books.
Oh!
No! They gotta pay for that.
I don't know if it hit the car or not.
It did.
Tell. Did it?
Yep. Michael, it wasn't us.
Oh, thank God. I saw that tree falling. Hit that brake real fast.
The fuck? I hate this. I bet they're pissed.